on, Joe. You know, Taylor and then the car parts and then straight to work, okay? Thank you, Joe. Joe. Well, bad news, my grandma died last week. My grandma died last week.
Oh, yeah.
And today on Star 101.3, it is Friday morning. Sandy Marcus is resting from surgery. He'll be back Monday, and by Monday it'll be Marcus and Corey. So welcome, Corey. You've been here all week.
She would have been 101 today.
Getting to know the show. I'm sorry that Marcus
Oh,
is here.
yeah.
I know. But I feel like I've learned a lot faster than I would have if I was just kind of shadowing in the corner. Honestly, sometimes you gotta just jump right in. Yeah. And that's what we're doing this week. Yeah. So there was a tweet that went viral. I thought this was really, really interesting. A bartender, it was something he did for one of his female customers. And I want to read the tweet. It's from the female customer. She said, I was at a bartender said, hey, check out this text from my sister. He showed me his phone and it said, do not circumstances get into a conversation with the guy sitting on your right. And then she said, men, if you're in a position to do this, do this. And I thought, wow, that's awesome. That's really incredible of him to take action before she even spoke to him. Yeah. And he probably knows you can't kick people out if they're not wrong, but you do have a feeling like, I don't know if this guy's okay. You have to trust your gut, you know? Or maybe the bartender's seen him, you know, do weird things. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe his hit on stories of what happened. Yeah. After the fact. Well, and every bar has their regulars, but some of them you just don't know if you want to engage with. It's usually me. Corey is the creeper. No, I'm just at the bar all the time. No, that's okay. That's fun too. But I love the idea of men, and it could, it doesn't have to be man to woman, but just when you see someone that makes you a little nervous, or maybe you know they are not healthy, you let that person know. You got to look out for each other. I don't care what your gender is. I mean, I'm pretty tall. I'm 5'9", and one day one of my friends is a nail person, and I was getting nails done, and she keeps the door locked when there's just two of us in there. I came to the door, and she didn't know if it was a client.
I'm back to work Friday, okay?
Off a package or something like that. So she opened.
On Thursday,
they're
then
talking, it's taking a little too
yesterday,
long, so I
okay?
get up,
You were,
and I'm like, everything okay?
I'll give everyone okay. Just
to let him know, yeah, she wasn't alone in this empty salon. Yeah, and I feel very protective of other people. Yes, and you also can feel it in your gut. Yeah, you do, and we all have that feeling of, don't know if I feel safe, don't know if I trust this. Let me do something. And you have to listen to that. Yes, listen to that. It's always right. Yeah, and if you're wrong, it's better to be wrong and a lie. Yeah, exactly. And kudos to this bartender for being so forward thinking. I mean, I was in a situation where you couldn't trust a bartender. Oh, of course. Corey told me this story off the air, and the bartender apparently. So I always watch my drinks being made. I don't. Even if someone wants to buy you a drink, you should always watch it be bringing it to you. You know, if a guy says, I want to buy you a drink, and he just gives it to you, and you don't see, yeah, if he's putting it in it. And so a girlfriend of mine, we just had dinner, and we went to grab a drink at the bar next door, and she's like one of the most classy women I know. And after 30 minutes of being there, I see her throwing him into a garbage can.
Thank you for picking me up
and I'm
today.
like, what is happening?
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden,
What time to get up?
so you both at the same time. Yep. And I was like,
I
my
think I'll
vision
bed.
got messed up.
Yeah,
I having a hard time
whenever I
walking,
can,
and so
because
she
I
and I just
get
got
there
ourselves
and I have
out
to
of there
relax.
and
I
went to
can't
my
sleep
car
right
in the
after
parking garage, and we
I
just stayed there until we felt like till 5 in the morning.
Oh,
Oh my god! And I found out later that I'm not the only one. That
I mean, yeah, like you should get told like 6:30, or if it's 7:30, 7:30, because I can't leave the other person. Yeah, no, it's the other person.
You all have that in
I have
common.
to.
Yeah. So not only do you want to look out for yourself, but you want to look out for others. Yes. And again, kudos to this bartender who looked out for his female customer like that. I love that kind of a story. All right, coming up, we're going to talk about what's trending. Alabama just reinstated their mask requirements for indoor settings. We'll go over that and more coming up at 6:50. That's on Star 101.3. And let's hear from Harry Styles. As it was.
not a bad driver. I'm actually a good one.
What?
I'm actually a good driver. I'm not.
I know my dad tailgates. Sure, Napa.
Makes people hit others.
They ate some cheese today. I had some pizza. I'm lactose intolerant. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, right. Just there.
Yeah, left.
Just making sure you didn't.
I found no.
You're good, thank you.
Yeah, I don't forget since the first time. I'm not stupid.
Just look and it's open.
Well, he opens at 8. Yeah.
Let's just check and see if it's open. If it's not open, we'll leave.
Oh, yeah.
Just check it.
Oh, yeah, it's a sign on the door. It's closed. Stop slamming the doors. Damn. So fucking impatient. Damn. Being lactose intolerant has nothing to do with we don't have the car.
Back until June 6th. That thing doesn't swear says we left them back until.
Yeah, I read that earlier.
Sorry.
Yeah,
Sorry.
no, I read that earlier.
Thank you for Joe. So run on straight to work, okay, please?
Yeah, if I. Yeah.
Nice. Got a very nice car. What's this? What kind of car is this?
There we go.
What did you say, Kevin? Joe? Joe? Sorry, I talk too much. It's time to wake up. Is there any coffee or soda when I get there? I had some pizza this morning because I'm lactose intolerant, so drink too much milk. I'm lactose intolerant.
Now it's What's Trendy with Marcus and Sam.
Entertainment news, the biggest stories of the day, and everything people are talking about today in the Bay.
What's Trendy on Star 1013.
Okay, let's see. So Alameda County, they reinstated a mask requirement for most indoor public settings. So grocery stores, gyms, the Oakland airport, this just took effect today. It is depressing seeing how now she's saying there's never been a real feud. I wish people wouldn't take things and make, headlines on it. Well, I think that's the truth, though, isn't there?
They've been talking about how they don't get along forever.
Yeah.
Before the second movie, I think, there was, not Samantha, Kim Cattrall was upset. Jessica Parker didn't go to her brother's funeral. I mean,
In real life, yeah.
that was a big area of contention for her. But I mean, even during the show was on, there was always rumors
Something.
that they did not get along.
Yeah, so Sarah was on a... people are they're reading into things. I think we're calling a spade a spade.
Exactly.
It is Furry Fridays, and thank you to the Peninsula Humane Society and the SPCA. We have some really adorable animals that need your love and your forever home. So let's talk about John.
That is the best name for a cat.
I know!
John. John is a 4-year-old domestic medium-haired neutered male, very active and a social dude. Loves nothing more than chasing toys and being active with my favorite person. And apparently John is overly affectionate. Something to do with love bites.
Oh, okay. John's ready to let you know.
To rock and roll.
He apparently would be best in a home with adults only. So if you want to see his photo, I've never seen a cat that looks like a John, but he looks like a John. So if you want to see that, 1013.com/furryfridays or Marcus and Sandy on Instagram and Facebook.
So lots of celebrities at last night's game between the Warriors and Celtics. Jay-Z, Barry Bonds, is it Neil Schon or Neil Sean, the guitarist from Journey.
Oh, I thought it was shown, but I
thought it was
could be
Schon
wrong.
too. Spike Lee was there.
Wow.
Unfortunately,
Where you going?
even with all that star power,
I have no idea if there's
Warriors
any
lost to the Celtics
parking lots around.
120 to 108.
Oh.
crap.
But here's some good
There's
news.
parking lot.
Gap is going to have a Stranger Things collection.
I think, by the way, game 2 is on Sunday, I think.
Okay, thank you for that. Season 4 of Stranger Things.
Thank you, Joe. Yeah, un minute, un
Merch to be
momento.
had. First
Dice
there were
un
backpacks,
momento.
now the Gap has a collection of
Thank you,
clothing,
Joe.
plenty of t-shirts, hoodies celebrating Hawkins, and even saying stuck in the upside down. Some shirts have the store's logo upside down.
Stop
which is
slamming
clever.
the
And prices are
doors.
reasonable. They start at
Wow.
$17.
Are you a big fan?
Yeah, I actually have a Hawkins high school hat.
Oh, how
Dumb.
cute.
How
Yeah,
does he not
I haven't
know
started watching 4 yet.
chiropractor's not
But,
working
I
until
think,
next
you
week?
worry as series
Oh,
go
dumb.
that they won't be able to hold up. Like
Oh,
Lost.
boy.
Yeah.
I got lost and I was out.
Yeah.
But Stranger Things,
Still great.
still good. Yeah.
Yeah. I've never
Needs
watched,
to
I
fucking stop
I
with
can't
the
say it on the air,
door
but S
slam.
Creek.
Damn.
Yeah. I'm
You know
afraid.
what's fun about that? Those
So
episodes
tired
are
of
not even
fucking
30
door
minutes.
slam.
They're like 18 minutes.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you can get through that real quick.
Okay. And my best friend, Carolyn, raves about it, so.
Very good.
Okay, yeah.
There's so much to watch, though, with all the streaming platforms. Because you go to somebody and like, are you watching this? No. Are you watching this?
Yeah.
No.
It's impossible to keep up. All right, are we good?
Yes.
All right, that's what's trending.
Catch what's trending every weekday morning at 6:50, 7:50, and 8:50 a.m. And connect now with the Marcus and Cindy socials and blogs.
At 1013.com.
All right, coming up at 7:05, second date update. And, Marcus has been out this week because he's recovering from surgery, so we're going to do a little check-in with him coming up at 7:25.
Heading into the weekend, mostly cloudy with coastal fog expected most of the day. Slight chance of rain tonight. Temperatures low 60s to mid 70s.
He's so
This report is sponsored
patient.
by Macy's. Get
I
Macy's
know,
lowest prices of the
damn.
season and save big on all
I
designer
can't
things for him.
deal
Fine
with
jewelry
people
to complete
who are
any look. Tag
impatient,
Richfield luggage
who
sets and so
loves
much
to
more.
slam
Plus,
doors.
Macy's Star Rewards members earn on every
Closed.
purchase except
I
gift
mean,
card services
come on.
and fees. Sign up for free
You
at
know, it costs people
Macy's.com/Star
headaches when you
Rewards.
do that.
Introducing an
probably
all-new way to
have one
save
right
with
now.
Xfinity. It's the 3-for-1 bundle.
I can't drive like
Get
that either.
unlimited internet, streaming, and Xfinity Mobile, all for what you could pay wireless companies for just one 5G unlimited line. That's an unbelievable value. And now, also with Xfinity Internet, you can get unlimited data, Wi-Fi equipment, and a
Always
free
staring at
Flex
me.
4K streaming box included. With a 2-year rate guarantee and no term contract, all for just $30 a month when you add an Xfinity mobile plan at regular rates. Go to Xfinity.com/3for1. That's Xfinity.com/3for1. Call 1-800-XFINITY or visit an Xfinity store today. Limited time offer. Restrictions apply. Requires paperless billing and auto pay. New fast internet 300 megabits per
way
second
too
customers
long in
only.
there.
Xfinity Mobile requires post-pay Xfinity Internet. After 24 months, regular rates apply to
Oh
all
my
services
God,
and
it takes him that
devices.
long.
This is Sonoma.
This
This is what the drivers will hear.
Buy more
And
than
this is what you will hear.
any part.
Drivers. You. Drivers.
you. And this is what everyone will hear. The NASCAR weekend at Sonoma Raceway, June 11th through the 12th. Get your tickets today at SonomaRaceway.com.
We celebrate the special people in our lives on holidays and birthdays, but why should we wait? Show your thoughtfulness and affection for any reason on any day. Make someone feel special with Choice Multi-Brand Thank You gift cards. Buy now in-store and at giftcards.com. See giftcards.com for terms and conditions.
Oh my gosh, Texas African
It's Older
round
Americans
to
Month. The theme this year is all about aging your way.
Okay.
Getting older and wiser may look different for everyone, but it's always an incredible journey. Have a story of your own to share? Join us in celebrating the older Americans who play crucial roles in our communities. Past loved ones, mentors, role models, and more. Visit calstories.org to submit your story or a story of someone who inspired you. That's calstories.org. Brought to you by the California Department of Aging.
By now, you know that sound. It's the sound of the Home Depot. But what about those sounds? Those are the sounds of a new LG laundry set with Turbo Wash 3D that provides a powerful yet gentle clean in just 29 minutes, making this the sound of savings on top brand appliances. The Home Depot. How doers get more done. Shop final days ending June 8th to get an LG top or front load washer dryer set for just $778
in the morning.
Now May 19th through June 8th, U.S. only. Cast iron extra while supplies last. See store for details.
Vacation, here we come.
Sorry, I
Can't wait.
Is COVID testing still a thing for travel?
I told you that already. We have to get tested right before we leave.
Oh, such a pain.
Not really. We can just go to COVID Clinic. They have locations all over San Francisco, and you can get your results the same day.
That's right. COVID Clinic has convenient locations throughout San Francisco. You'll have your results in the same day and be ready to travel. COVID Clinic, here for your peace of mind. Visit covidclinic.org to find a location near you.
Yeah.
You know that Big Bargain detergent jug is 85% water, right?
Yeah.
85% water.
Oh my gosh, I don't know
The
what
leading
you
bargain
said,
detergent
but-
is mostly water.
I thought I was getting a better deal because it's so big.
Well, if you're looking for a better clean, Tide Pods are 88% concentrated ingredients.
Takes him that long.
Pass me the intercom
I
thing.
think he's doing something else. Yeah.
If you want a real deal, try Tide Pods.
Don't pay for water. Pay for clean. If it's got to be clean, it's got to be Tide Pods.
Water content based on the leading bargain liquid detergent. Come to Shane Company for beautiful fine jewelry, both classic styles and exciting new styles, all created by our in-house design team. Now you have a friend in the jewelry business. Shane Company and ShaneCo.com.